As a parent, if you can't do this one thing, you are headed for disaster. And what am I talking about? I know because I'm talking out of experience. Now, I know this video is going to get a lot of bad comments and it might get a few good ones as well. Anyway, I appreciate your comments and I appreciate your thoughts. So what am I talking about? It is literally 20 past 6 in the morning and I am sitting here. I've done my grounding, I've done my exercises, breathing, all of that. And I'm ready to go watch my boys' sports game, rugby. If you don't know what that is, that's a sport here in South Africa. Now, what am I talking about when I'm saying this one thing? If you don't do it, you are headed for disaster. Now, I know what I'm talking about because in the past I used to only focus on everything else besides this, and it's changed everything. By the way, my name is Errol. I'm just an ordinary dad, an ordinary family man that's managed to find a simple, easy to follow system that has helped me to generate thousands of dollars online. And now I'm handing it over to students. I'm showing them the path that I took in order to earn thousands of dollars online so that you can start living the life of your dreams, achieve your goals. If you want to know more about that, just comment more info and I will share you the info. So what am I talking about? It is spending time with your kids, with your family. My friend, really think about this. Make time. I've been on construction sites working with engineers, etc. Make time. Find a side hustle so you can spend more time with your family. Make more money, my friend.